Everybody, Gabe with Hansshow here. Just giving you a quick sneak peek at our power sunshade. It is already installed. It didn't take very long, very easy to install in fact. And the cool thing about it is you can do a one touch for closing. It's a very seamless install, to be honest with you. It didn't take very long. And then you can actually stop it by pressing it again if you want. Go back all the way, and then it's a one-touch reverse as well, retractable. So it's very cool. Check it out on our website, hautopart.com, and there will be a coupon code in the description below. Let us know in the comments what you think. This is actually one of the cooler ones I've seen so far. So get yours today.